The fan, bear with me. It's about 90 degrees in here. I'm in the attic, and I try to do this without the fan, and I was sweating within like 15 seconds. So today's video, we're going to talk about cross posting. I cross post to Poshmark only as of right now. I have 5,000 items on eBay and about 3,000 items on Poshmark. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how I do it manually. I kind of do it manually, so I don't have Poshmark automatically, if something sells on eBay, takes it off of I don't have list perfectly automatically takes it off of Poshmark. I actually do it manually. I never learned how to use list perfectly properly. I just got the app, started using it. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see here, we are in our dashboard. We're gonna go to our active listings, and I'm gonna show. We're probably gonna list about three items. I'm doing it right here, like as if that's not it. Right here. There we go. All right, so this is my store. As you can see, 5,100 items. So the way I do it in steps. It's like I do it in batches. So let's say I want to list jeans over to Poshmark. I go to categories right here, as you guys can see. There it goes. Go to categories. Now this is your custom store categories. I don't use this. I just use this to kind of like keep track of my items. But what you want is eBay categories. Go to clothing and shoes, whatever category that you're using. I'm selling clothes. So we're gonna go into men's clothing, jeans. So there you go. So that's gonna bring up all the jeans that you have on eBay. I have 211 men's jeans. So as you can see, this little thing right here, PM, is how I keep track of which items are on eBay and which items are on Poshmark. That indication right there tells me that it's on Poshmark. If I had items on Mercari, I'll probably put like CM at the end of this to let me know that it's also on Mercari to remove it. So we're gonna go down to find, let's say, 3 pairs of jeans. Alright, so these 3 right here is what we're gonna list over. We're gonna cross post over to to Poshmark. There we go. So we select all 3. Then it says start selecting. Start. Select all 3. Stop. 3 items going over to Poshmark. Copy it over. Now this takes a little while. Sometimes I do as much as 35 items at a time. Now that's all based on your internet speed. Your computer will really slow down if you don't have a good computer, good internet. So probably 15, 20 at a time is okay, but more than like 30 is, you're probably gonna slow down significantly. So we're gonna let to all 3 of these items finish load. Then we'll get started. There, they're all set. So from here, it's pretty simple. It's really easy. Go down to categories, men's. The reason why I do all one category at a time, for speed. So right now we're gonna go to jeans, men's jeans. These are straight fit, straight leg, size 31. I don't add any tags. Lucky brand, that's already in here. Required price, I don't know why they have that. That just slows people down. I don't know why they have that. I just put 30. No, 0. My price is 30, and that's it. This one's done. Then we'll go to the next one. I go kind of fast, I'm sorry, but once you get the hang of this, it's pretty straightforward. Same thing, straight leg, men's jeans, straight. See, I don't like when it does it like this. That's how I have it listed on over on eBay. I'm gonna leave it. Actually, no, I'm not gonna leave it. I'm gonna change it to 35. I mean, you could leave it, but I just don't like it. There we go. Price 25. Next. And the last one, same process. Rock Republic. Men's jeans. Optional straight leg. Change this over to 38. Jeans required. I think 25 is actually too much, but I'm gonna go down to 20. And there we go. All 3 items is cross-posted. Probably less than, I don't know, probably a minute and a half. So that's it. All 3 is done. See, these items are now on Poshmark. There you go. Now, you could X out of here. Go back to eBay. This is still open. I go like that. And you see how these that I checked off? The reason I checked them off is from here. I go to edit. Edit selected. Those 3 items that I selected. It brings me in here. And from here, I go to the area. You see this part right here? This is your custom SKU. Let me make it a little bigger. Your custom SKU. I like to put like this indicator so I could know, so it's, you know, away from the number, so it doesn't kind of blend in with the SKU number. That's why I have so many print. Was it asterisk? Yeah, asterisk. I have about 5. So I copy this and I copy and paste it to all of them. And that's pretty much it. So now these are officially on Poshmark, and I have an indication, a way to know if it's there. So now submit. That's done. That's literally how I do it. Now, once it's sold, this is how I remove it. Okay? So now we're gonna go to our, let's go back to our store. Let's go to orders. Alright, let's try to do something more current. So I could do a couple right in front of you. So we gotta sort by date, pretty much today. And this is how I do it. I right click on it so I could open it in a tab. And I will just keep doing this, you know, let's say 10 at a time, right? So I got this item. It has the indication Poshmark right here. This one's not. This one also sold today. And let's do this Terra Sky dress that sold also today. So 3 items. Okay, I got them right here. Just like that. So I have my Poshmark open right here, and I'm gonna go to my Poshmark closet. Just like that. So this is my Poshmark closet. As you can see, the 3 items that I have listed right now. So from here, I just copy the name, go into the closet, and search for it. Boom, that's the shirt, the Loof. Right click, open that in a tab, and I'll do that for all 3 shirts. Okay, there you go. Go over to Poshmark. Paste. Boom. There you go. And here's the last one, the Terra Sky. Once you get the hang of this, it goes by pretty fast, but I don't know if there's an easier way. You guys could let me know if there's an easier way, but this is the way that I've been doing it for a couple years now. So yeah, so now this is the items. I edit each of them at the same time. You see, I'm just going to go to edit because it takes a little time to load. And by the time it's done loading, I just go right to the bottom. Item not for sale. Update. That's it. That's how you do it. I could do this really fast. And that's it. That's that's the video, my guy. Oh, actually, I have one more tip. This tip is a good one. So let's say you're trying to remove an item and it won't let you because you have an offer on it. Let's say you sent out an automatic offer on your item. So let's go find one of my items that has an offer sent out on it. See, this item is this person so this 505 denim jean. This item right now, since I have an offer sent out on it, it won't let me remove this item if I try. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna put it back in. So you go down to edit. This is like the bonus tip. This is the good one. Alright. So let's see. Item not for sale. Watch this. It's not gonna let me do it. It's not gonna let me do it. Sorry, cannot do it. There's an there's an offer on this. Active offer. So let's say you go back, and this is how you do it. This is the workaround around this. Go to the item, and all you have to do is change the size of the item. Just where's the size? Add another size. Not add. Oh well, let's just do small. Let's say it wasn't a large. Let's say it's a small. Let's say it's not a 40, but it's a small. Then you update, and now from here you could go back in, and you could remove it. Boom, you could remove it. Item not for sale. I made a mistake somewhere. I made a mistake somewhere. 70% of the time, this works all the time. Okay, so let me fix my listing before I mess this up. Okay, one available. This probably did not work because it's a multiple quantity. Okay, so yeah, let's leave it. Let's leave this one alone. Okay, we're gonna show it. We're gonna show it off properly. This one, okay, this shirt. I have an offer out on this one also. We're gonna do this one. That didn't work. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, item not for sale. It won't let me do it. Boom. Okay, same thing. Let's just speed up. Same thing. All right. So go back. Change the size. Then it should work. Like I said, 70% of the time it works all the time. Okay. Let's say it's an extra large, not a large. All right. Update. Boom. Follow. Hopefully you guys are following along. I know I'm going a little bit fast here. So now we're back. We should be able to remove it from here. Item not for sale. There you go. It worked. Okay. So that's your workaround if you need to remove an item that has an offer on it and you can't sell it because it's already sold on eBay. So there you go. There you have it. That's how I cross post from eBay to Poshmark. I mean, it could be kind of long, it could be kind of fast. I could do about I mean, I could list 50. I could cross post 50 items in about 30 minutes. Probably even faster than that. And to remove is even faster. So that's the way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a different software, I know there's Vendu. I think there's another one, but I only know this perfectly, and that's the only one I've been using. So if you guys know a better way, let me know. All right, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. I'm out.